Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope your weekend was very good. Today's topic is active passive voice of past indefinite tense. I hope you have reminded the recognition and definition of past indefinite tense and the rules of active passive voice, which were object plus helping verb plus third form of verb plus by then subject. Now in past indefinite tense we use helping verb was and were. Was and were. Was is used with he, she, it and singulars. Were is used with they, we, you and plurals. Here look at the examples. Active voice, passive voice. We made two columns. Now see, past indefinite tense, the recognition of past indefinite is subject, second form and object. Second form of verb and object. It's very simple. Subject, second form of verb and object. Now when we'll change it into passive voice, we will use third form of verb and helping verb was and were. Object will come first. The thief is singular. The thief was caught. Third form of caught is caught. The thief was caught by them. They caught the thief. The thief was caught by them. He killed a snake. Now a snake was killed by him. Snake is a singular, so was is used here. Snake was killed by him. Najma broke pots. Pots were broken by Najma. Now were is used here because pots is plural. Pots were broken by Najma. Students raised slogans. Slogans were raised by students. Slogans is plural, so were is used here. Slogans were raised by students. I received your letter. Your letter was received by me. The teacher punished the students. The student it's singular, student. The student was punished by the teacher. Now here are negative sentences. Now you have to keep in mind that did as helping verb is used in negative sentences in past indefinite, but in active passive voice we use was and were as helping verb. So did will not be used. Instead of did we use was or were according to the object. Not will be used as it is. He did not obey his parents. Now his parents is a collective noun, it's plural, so were is used here. His parents were not. His parents were not. We add not with helping verb. In negative sentences we add not with helping verb. In past indefinite did is used as helping verb. In passive voice we used was and were as helping verb. So his parents were not obeyed by him. They did not help us. Now us will be changed into we. We were not helped by them. We is a plural, so were is used here, and helping verb not is used with helping verb. We were not helped by them. She did not tell a lie. A lie was not told by her. Lie is a singular, so was is used here. So helping not is used with the helping verb. A lie was not told by her. In active passive voice, was and were is used as helping verb. So did will be replaced with was and were. Now in interrogative sentences, how did the chef cook the rice? See, it's a question statement is how. So what I told you before that question words will come before helping verbs. So how will remain how. We'll use how, then we will add question words. How were is used here because rice is a collective noun, क्योंकि चावल ज़्यादा से होते हैं, ठीक है. The rice, how were the rice cooked by the chef? Did you enjoy the flight? Was the flight enjoyed by you? Did is replaced with was, and now it's become a question statement. Was the flight enjoyed by you? Did the magistrate catch him red-handed? Was he caught red-handed by the magistrate? Okay. You have to keep in mind that in simple sentences there is only subject, second form of verb and object. So second form will be changed with third form. In active passive voice we always use third form of verb, and was and verb will be used as helping verb. Okay. And in negative sentences In past indefinite we use did not, did as helping verb. In passive voice we use was and were as helping verb. Not will be added with helping verbs. And in question statements did will be replaced with was और वर. जैसे हमने did को शुरू में लगाते हैं क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट्स में पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में, ऐसे ही हम जो है वो एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस में was और वर उसकी जगह लगा देंगे. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो सिंगुलर है तो आप was यूज़ करेंगे, अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो आप वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे. और जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स होंगे वो पहले ही आएंगे और उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ होगा. By tomorrow inshallah we will do active passive voice of past continuous and past perfect. Change 5 simple, 5 negative and 5 interrogative active sentences into passive voice. This is your homework for today. This is very easy. You have to practice simple sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. We'll continue it by tomorrow inshallah. Take care. Have a nice day.